Built cabin for outdoor kitchen. Create a functional and style outdoor kitchen is a dream of any homeowner, and at the heart of that dream is have the right cabin. Outdoor kitchen cabin not only serve as stone but also add structure and perfect to your work space. Whether your heart simply or just enjoy peaceful outdoor dining, have wall built cabin enhance both aesthetic and usable. Comprehensive gas and built convenient cabin for your outdoor kitchen. Cover material design step and main interest type. Plans your outdoor kitchen cabin with hard cut wood or max custom. The first step is plans. Your layout should supported away your cook and main entrance. Think about your dining will be placed and design your cabin to support it. Their elements. Ask yourself how much should do its need worth with stone toy when application well I installing and convenient top about cabin. A simple L-shaped layout or a streaming line kitchen or wall wood well and any backyard out your space about wash material. Choose the right material. Seen those cabin well live outside weather resisting is key. Standing plywood and MDF which valve quick warm. Choose material that can withstand sun, rain and can temperament functional. Popular metal resisting and mouse grade of build and cabin structure. Explore during and resisting idea for front and explore surface. Material that won't just rot, great for modern look. Build the cabin frame Once your design is ready and material choice beyond by, build the cabin wood. Here are basic top step by step. Build the basic. Meshing and cut the base by piece.